Alright guys, out here to get a line of sight flight here on the FLYPRO XJaguar. See the LEDs on the back there. As I mentioned earlier, this thing is 100% stock except for that antenna. I didn't want to risk losing range out here since I haven't flown it and I don't know any better. I figured I'd add a omni antenna, see if I can get a little bit better omnidirection instead of the polar, so we'll go from there. But anyway, just a simple one with a little satellite, DSM2, but everything's stock. PIDs are all stock. I put air mode, just to the air mode on, and I do have throttle off, or my motor stop set up on a switch. So all PIDs are stock, no change, stock props. This is actually a Venom battery pack. It's a 30C continuous, 50C pulse. So our burst will fly it like this. I flew the other one just a minute ago, but I think I corrupted my camera file, so we're going to remake this one and do a check on it. But it is very fast. Let's take a flight here, go along for a ride, and you can see what I'm talking about via line of sight. All right, everybody, enjoy this. Air mode on. A little bit of twitch here on the speed controls. Don't really know what that is right now. Haven't had a chance to diagnose. But it's very, very stable in the air. This is my angle mode right now. I've got air mode on. So when I let go of the throttle, it just floats. Props are still spinning. Gives me control. You can see it is extremely fast, guys. This thing is a ripper. This is the fastest ARF I've ever flown for sure. It is definitely bred for speed. Do some racing, probably do some really great aerobatics or acro with it, 3D, and really enjoy the freestyle world too. But it's really nice, very robust. Looks like the settings, PIDs that they gave stock on the board, set up out of the box, are actually really good. This is angle right now, so let's try horizon. All right, we're in horizon mode, so obviously we have the ability to do some quick flips. Very nice. Doesn't take much throttle to climb out either. This thing's really got some power. These motors are strong, and on the 3-bladers, it is moving a lot of air. Easy to get confidence, just doesn't take much to do a flip with this bird. Pretty amazing. And acro, obviously, it's all the pilot. So this will be what you'll be wanting to fly on when we're doing FPV. Very nice. Alright, let's get a little speed run here going so you can check it out. This thing gets small fast, so line of sight's a challenge with this bad boy. You'll definitely want to be on the goggles. It rips. I thank the guys over at FLYPRO. Jerry, thanks for sending this kit over for review. It is an excellent kit, very well done. I think you'll sell a buttload of these things because they're fantastic. The holidays here, I'll put a link down in the description so people know where they can get this guy. A great addition to anyone's Air Force for sure. Thing is awesome. I'll be putting a lot of use on this bad boy. Like I said, this is all stock. I haven't tuned anything, so I wanted to show the out-of-the-box experience for Jerry and the team. This is not a beginner's quad for sure. Not that a beginner couldn't build it, but a beginner wouldn't be able to handle what it's got to offer in terms of power and speed. Intermediate to advanced for sure. Even a pilot who likes to custom build, this would be a real nice ARF to put in the have in the hangar or bring as a spare. It is actually really nice, and I'm sure little PID work and whatever to customize to your liking, it could become a favorite. These motors are really strong. I'm going to try it on 2 blades here in a little bit so we can see the difference, but I'm not sure it's going to show much outside of maybe a little more top end because of efficiency, but as far as coming out of the box, this thing is killer. I don't really see a need to change anything. And we'll get some video too through the Mobius on board when I do some FPV, so we can kind of go up over the trees and zip around a little bit. Line of sight, I'm kind of stuck here, flying close, but impressed. Alright, let's bring it in. That's only a 1400 battery. Don't know its burn rate. These motors are hungry, I'm sure. So again, here we are, stock PIDs. Very nice, very stable. One more punch out. Gone. Floating down with air mode. Alright, let's bring her in for a landing. Air mode off. Very nice. Alright guys, as I said, turn that beeper off. XJaguar from FLYPRO. Very nice ARF for sure. Highly recommended. Good equipment, good quality, great build. I've seen some of the guys in some of the other videos getting some accidental crash testing in and didn't do a single thing, didn't even break a prop. So we know it's rugged. I don't necessarily want to prove that, but if I have to, I will. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody.